Dear learners, today we will discuss about a novel whose name is Sons and Lovers, written by D.H. Lawrence. Sons and Lovers is an outstanding novel written by D.H. Lawrence in 1913. It is the most notable autobiographical novel of the century. Gertrude Morel of upper middle class family, fallen in fortune, is married to the altar Morel. The children turn to her, especially the sensitive Paul, who has a talent for painting. Encouraged to education and social climbing by his mother, Paul becomes a factory clerk. Miriam, a charming and affectionate girl, encourages Paul's art work but can't pull his away from his mother fixation. He has a passionate relationship with Clara, thus a factory worker estranged from her husband. The puritanical Mrs. Morel condones the affairs because Paul will not be taken from her. His mother's death is heartbreaking to Paul, but he resolves to remake his life. The novel is great for its realism and for the philosophy it ex- exemplifies. Paul is caught in an obvious Oedipus situation. As the son lover, he can't bring fulfillment to himself or to his mother. In disturbing her normal relationship, Paul is a split being seeking spiritual attachment in Mariam and physical attachment in Clara. This inability to function as a integrated man is seen by Lawrence as the star- sterility of today industrialized society. The outward form of Lawrence novel is traditional, but the experimental quality lies in an unprecedented search for the inner reality. Lawrence probes inwardly for feelings that are seldom expressed. He treats his theme in an impassionate manner, giving to it all the vitality, vigor, and force of which he was capable. Sons and Lovers is largely autobiographical. The plot is firmly neat. The characters are round characters seen from the outside and from within. It has realistic description of life in the mining village in which Lawrence was born. the subtlety of Lawrence's insight into the psychology of the emotionally possessive mother is now far better shown than in the study of the conflict between Miriam and Mrs. Morel for the soul of the younger son, Paul. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.